Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this graphic Clipart. It's only 72 dots per inch. It is not too big, so we're just going to leave it alone because it's basically 3 different colors, so it's going to trace pretty good. We're going to go to outline trace, Clipart, and we're going to trace it. The main problem they're having, they want to be able to print it, and it takes just a little bit of time and it's done. That would be ready to go, and they've gotten that far, but they've got these rough edges. Couple of ways you could get rid of them is you could break the whole thing apart, ungroup it, and then you could use your shape tool to pick that and just delete it, and you could do that all the way around. And what that is, that's where the clip art was touching the edge of the page. But the other way you can do it, so I'm going to back up a little bit so we can see what we're doing. And we've got this thing still grouped together, so we're going to ungroup it again. And it's a little more than 2, so we're going to set our nudge factor on 4, which is good. I'm going to move these colors out of the way. These are the interior colors, and there's actually a couple of them that are more than one color. So if we wanted them precise, we need to go ahead and grab those other parts of the color. And I'm just hitting the arrow key down. And see, this actually has some grays. And so what this is doing is getting rid of that black line, as you can see. So everything's pretty clear and sharp. What I would personally do if I was going to do this myself would be I'd get the blue parts out of the way, and I think I moved something. Yep. And grab these and combine them. That'll make them all one solid color, as you can see now, versus you can see the outline around it. So just go up and combine the color. Combine doesn't work all the time. It does some weird stuff. But now we can nudge these over and we'll be ready to go. Now we're going to grab this and we're going to actually put a boundary around it. We're going to nudge the boundary out of the way. And then we're going to take this and we're going to go to Effects, Contour the outside 0.03 in black, and you get a new line. I am going to go in and at this time you could do a couple of things. One, we've got a little bit of a bad spot right there, so we need to break the contour apart to be able to do anything with it. Take the shape tool and just get rid of that node, maybe get rid of that node and that node, and maybe kind of define this one little spot pretty good. Then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, set on black, and fill in this line and put it over here to our shoes. We cleaned up the black line all the way around, easily steps without doing too much work. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.